Welcome everyone to our Anchorage dance workshop with Ari Levitt. You can find me at www.rolluptherug.com or at www.worldwidedanceadventures.com. And we did a very lovely nightclub two-step workshop that is going to help demonstrate those moves. We started with elements like the left turn and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Side, cross, side, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, side, cross, side. We did a salsa turn, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, side, cross, side, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, side, cross, side. I did the turn here. And the leads can also do the salsa turns, quick, slow, just going through my own arm, doing this. Then we did the gallery duck, which is a variation of the salsa turn. I will do it in this direction, so you can see 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Remember, I'm using both hands to lead. He talks about how is the left hand working, how is the right hand working. Bring my partner home, we'll do it in this direction. So my right hand is on my partner's back, guiding the spine through. The left hand notice is in front of my partner's forehead. Right? Until I bring the hand all the way around, that completes the turn. I could, of course, do it with just the left hand. If I keep my left hand in front of my partner's forehead, I'm not compelling my partner to turn until it sweeps all the way around, and then we're good. Leads can also do your own gallery duck, because I can start the salsa turn. Once I'm here, I can exit in either direction. I could exit this way, or I could exit that way. Right? Nice. And then we have the around the world, which starts with a 1 and 2. I set my partner to the right corner, bring my partner around, down the line, bring my partner home, and 2. Again, I use the right quadrant to initiate the turn. Set my partner to the right quadrant, all the turning is happening in that quadrant, is around, down the line with slow, quick, slow. Variations on that is we can do the gallery duck first. So I can take the around the world from the gallery duck. Here's the I'm going to set my partner around me, down the line. Come back that direction too. Nice. In this way. So this is the gallery duck. My partner's in front of me. I'll bring my partner to the side. Around the line, and I can do the spin at the end as well. We talked about the leverage being easier if you move slightly away from your partner. So coming back to cameras. So I move slightly away from my partner on the slow, come back, and find my partner down. Nice. Lots of great moves, combinations. Thank you, Deb. That was lovely. And thank you guys. Fantastic.